Elimination reactions. The reactions involving the loss of two or four atoms or groups from the same or adjacent carbon atoms in a substrate molecule leading to the formation of a multiple bond are called elimination reaction. The dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halides in the presence of alcoholic potassium hydroxide is a typical example of this type of reaction. This involves the loss of hydrogen and halogen atoms and leads to the formation of a double bonded compound as shown below. For example, this is an alkyl halide RCHH this is halogen and H and H. If the reagent alcoholic KOH is not given here, there are no chance of this elimination reaction. Therefore, for the examination point of view, please write alcoholic KOH. As a result, this hydrogen halide is eliminated and these two valencies which were holding the hydrogen and halogen forms a double bond here. That is the double bond formed here. The compound obtained is RCH double bond CH2. The elimination reactions are of two types. One, even reaction means unimolecular elimination reaction. That means only one molecule is required for starting the reaction. The even reactions are those reactions in which the rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of the substrate, just like SN1 mechanism. Rate is directly proportional to the concentration of the substrate. Even reaction take place in two steps. Step 1, which is very slow. The first step involves the ionization of the alkyl halide, that is a substrate, to form a carbonium ion. This step is slow and is the rate determining step. The second step is very fast and involves the abstraction of a proton by the base, that is attacking species from the adjacent beta carbon atom. Beta carbon atom means the next carbon atom of alpha carbon atom. Alpha means alpha carbon atom is the carbon which is holding the functional group. Therefore, if this is a halogen which is the functional group, this carbon is an alpha carbon atom. And the adjacent, any carbon atom can be taken. This is a beta carbon atom. This is also a beta carbon atom. This is also a beta carbon atom. We select one of the beta carbon atom like this. This is the step. First it forms a carbonium ion, that is the two electrons between the carbon and halogen both are taken away by the halogen, thereby X minus. Carbon gets a positive charge. This is the first step, which is very slow. Step 2, which is very fast. We are taking one of the CH3 and modifying and writing it as CH2H in order to show the mechanism. This H which is connected to this carbon atom, leave both the electron here and eliminate it as H plus. That H plus will react with attacking reagent OH minus and forms water molecule. This two electron can form a bond between this carbon and this carbon. Two electrons are required for the bond formation. Therefore, CH3, this is the CH3. The other two CH3, no change will take place. CH3, which is connected to this carbon, forms a double bond between the carbon and the CH2 group. And this is known as E1 reaction.